How to use Snapchat Time Capsule feature 2026. To use this AR lens, you simply have to open the Snapchat application itself. Make sure you are in this camera panel, then tap on this smiley icon from the bottom navigation bar to access these filters over here. Tap on this search bar, and in this search bar, simply type in Time Capsule. Now, once you type this time capsule, you should be able to find this AR lens over here. Simply select any of the options. And once you tap on it, you should be able to access this feature. Or if you are looking for a specific option to go back in time, you can search for your memories or look out for your memories or your history by simply tapping on this memories panel, where you should be able to find all your previously recorded videos and photos over here. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.